Welcome back. You're watching the fourth match in round 2 of the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores currently have Mona Prep on 27 points and Angels Primary on 21 points. It's now time for Section 3, the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for each incorrect answer, or if they answer before being identified. So teams with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with regional affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Angels.
David Granger.
David Granger.
President of Guyana, correct. Sports. What is the full name of the local franchise in the Caribbean Premier League T20 competition? Mona.
CPL. Hero CPL.
Hero CPL.
Incorrect. The Jamaica Talawas. Bible knowledge. How old was Abraham when Isaac was born? Mona.
100 years old. 100 years old.
100 years old.
Correct. Science. What is the name of the replanting of trees on a... Angels?
Reforestation. Reforestation.
On a large scale, correct. English language. Spell chaotic. Angels?
CHAOTIC.
Correct. Music. John Lennon was a founding Mona?
The Beatles.
The Beatles.
Founding member of which British group? Correct. General knowledge. The Soufriere Hills volcano erupted in 1997 in which Caribbean? Mona?
St. Vincent and Grenadines.
St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Island, incorrect. Montserrat. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this actress. Tessa Thompson. Mathematics. A pie has 8 equal slices. How many slices would someone have to take to leave 62? Angels?
6.
62.5% of the pie. Incorrect. 3. Social studies. Is something handed down from the past best described as a custom? Mona?
Custom.
Culture or heritage? Incorrect. It is heritage. Television. Who co-starred with Jackie Chan in Rush Hour? Mona?
Chris Tucker.
In the Rush Hour movie series? Correct. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Mona?
Omar McLeod.
Correct. Bible knowledge. How many brothers did David have? Mona?
7.
Did David have? Correct. Science. Is the following statement true or false? A butterfly has scales. Angels.
False.
Incorrect. True. English language. Give an 11-letter adjective starting with B, which means aggressive. Angels.
Belligerent.
And confrontational. Correct. Music. Did the music group Air Supply originate in Mona?
Australia.
England, Australia, or the United States? Australia is correct. General knowledge. The Mona Passage is a body of water that separates Hispaniola from which country? Mona.
Cuba.
Incorrect. Puerto Rico. Jamaican affairs. Who is Jamaica's director of elections? Mona.
Glassfold Brown.
Correct. Mathematics. What is 0.225 divided by 0? Mona.
55.
0.005. Incorrect. 45. Social studies. The marguerite and the rose are national flowers of which Caribbean country? St. Lucia. Bible knowledge. Who was the nurse of Moses when he was a baby? Mona.
His mother.
Correct. English language. Does the word spontaneous mean planned, unplanned, or late? Angels.
Spontaneous. What is it?
Unplanned.
Correct. And that is the bell signifying the end of the round and the end of today's match. The final scores now read Mona Prep on 33 points and 27 points for Angels Primary. So congratulations to Mona Prep and a very close game played by Angels Primary. Please stay with us. We'll wrap things up after these messages.